Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome chicken sandwich with some eggs, and they look awesome and taste super delicious. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to dry off the chicken breasts. I'll be using 3 and then cut them in pieces. I'll be cutting them in 4 pieces. Then, let's make it softer. Then a bit of salt and pepper. Add some butter on a pan. Then add the chicken. Then let's cook some eggs and chop them finely. And 50 grams of cheese. And let's combine them together. 3 tablespoons of mustard. And add some tablespoons of yogurt and some pepper and salt. And mix it all together. Before you put the chicken to the oven, put the mixture on top. Then add it into the oven for about 30 or 35 minutes. When it's all done, let them cool down and you can plate it and try it out. I hope you like this recipe because it's so easy to make and it's delicious. If you did like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.